Before sending or uploading a new file to a web location such as Blackboard, you'll need to ensure that it is saved using a proper file naming convention. Properly named files can be downloaded and accessed by users regardless of the age or type of computer they use. To create a proper file name, there are 4 main things to remember. The length of the file name, using alphanumeric characters, eliminating spaces, and avoiding special characters. Let's start with the length of the file name. Though some computer file systems can vary, it's recommended that file names should not exceed a total of 31 characters. This includes the file extension. Some file systems simply do not allow for longer file names. Here is a file name that is too long to be accepted, and here's an example which is within the 31 character limit. Second, use alphanumeric characters to create your file name. You can use any combination of upper and lowercase letters with any combination of numbers, but it's strongly recommended that the first character of your file be a lowercase letter. This is because some operating systems and web servers have case sensitivity. For example, a file named Apple with a capital A would be considered different from a file named Apple with a lowercase a. Starting each of your file names with a lowercase letter will reduce the chance of duplicating files and increase certainty that your file will be accepted by other systems. Third, any spaces in your file name should be deleted so that your file is accepted by other systems. When a file is uploaded to Blackboard, a hyperlink is created to retrieve the file from the Learning Management System's storage. Spaces in a file name are treated as empty characters and can cause a problem when Blackboard tries to retrieve the file. If you prefer to see key parts of your file name separated, a good option would be to use a dash to separate those parts. Using an underscore is not recommended because a file containing an underscore can, on occasion, look like and be confused with a hyperlink. Speaking of special characters, it's important to note that most symbols in special characters should be avoided in file names. Some are simply not accepted by operating systems. Finally, in a learning environment, teach your students to also follow the same conventions when naming files before uploading them to a learning management system such as Blackboard. A helpful tip would be to give students a template to follow. When you save files with a name that is web-ready, you increase the likelihood that all users will be able to access and open your files.